Let's talk about mortar. This is the visual representation of mortar. This is a visual application of mortar. Now, let's move to composition of mortar. First of all, binder. Binder can be cement, lime, or we can combine both lime and cement. Then fine aggregate, which is sand, water, and admixture is optional depending upon the requirements. Now, let's discuss the factor which affect the strength and durability of mortar. First of all, water cement ratio. The typical water cement ratio used is zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.7. The water cement ratio have inversely proportional to mortar. If water cement ratio goes higher, the strength will be less and vice versa. Then which type of binder we are using? If we use cement with cement binder, mortar give great strength but less flexible. And with lime, mortar give higher flexibility and durability. Now, aggregate. If we use well graded aggregate, it decreases the voids between different elements. So, give extra strength from when we used aggregate with uh, equal sizes. When we use equal size aggregate. Hydration reaction, cement gives strength from hydration. So hydration reaction also affect motor strength and then durability factor. Now, how we uh, measure motor strength? What are the parameter? First of all, compressive strength. From compressive strength, we can say that this motor is good for this work. So compressive strength, then flare strength, and bond strength. These are the main parameter for motor strength. Now, what are the best practice to maintain or improve the strength of motor? First of all, mixed proportion should be accurate. Water cement ratio, you can't play with water cement ratio. So water cement ratio should be optimal. Mixing should be uniform for uniform strength. Avoid over mixing. Same points. If water cement ratio is less, maybe the motor have very low workability. So to improve workability, we can use plasticizer, but we can't add water for workability because that will cause to decrease the strength of motor. Then curing. If we perform all things right, if we not cure properly, then motor will not give a desired strength. So minimum 7-day curing should be performed. Minimum 7 days. Then storage. Storage of material is also important. Cement, sand, and then clean water, or if we used any admixtures. No, let's talk about lab results. We use ASTM C109 C109M for compressive strength. Compressive strength mainly in between 5 to 15 megapascal. For flare strength, we not really perform any test. We calculate flare strength from uh, compressive strength indirectly. For bond strength, we use ASTM C952. Bond strength is zero point 0.2 to 1 megapascal. Tensile strength is, yeah, or flare strength is 8 to 15% of compressive strength. So ideally we can take 10% of compressive strength. Different type of plasticizer. We use different type of admixture. Mainly we use plasticizer, accelerator, and retarder, and then bonding agent for um, bonding of old mortar and newly fresh mortar. Freshly prepared mortar should be used in 2 hours.